This is my new friend, Margaret. Hi! We literally just met. Due to the fact that many Icelandic people have the same last name, I reached out to Margaret thinking she was my Airbnb host.
Dear Margaret, my name's Sojourn. I'm the author of a book called Every Girl. It tells one true story from one woman's childhood from every country in the world. I'd love to interview you and have you be my Iceland story.
But to my surprise, Margaret wasn't my host.
Dear Sojourn, I don't have an Airbnb, but your book sounds awesome, so you can interview me anyway if you want. Here's my number, call me anytime.
I was so happy, I called right away, turned her story into a book, and flew to Iceland to meet her in person. She knows about my whole life story. It's only 1 hour in. I have never made such an awesome friend in such a unique way. We are about to get in the car. Margaret's like, I can drive. Probably because she knows I'll drive just like a tourist. What have we learned from meeting each other this way? Well, I learned that after being to Iceland many, many times, there's always something new to discover.
I learned that the world has so many opportunities and making a friend like that is so cool.
Yeah!